here today to share with you the brand new May-June Traveler's Notebook Kit. So first we'll take a look at what I did with the kit, and then we'll take a look at the specific contents of the kit and briefly cover how to order. All right, so with this kit, I have set up my Traveler's Notebook for the months of May and June. So this is my May setup, and it uses the beautiful Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Botanicals collection, and full of beautiful pastels and butterflies and birds, and then of course the beautiful botanicals or the florals. So we're covering an insert here, and then another insert here. I have added some stickles to some of the butterflies and flowers here in my pocket. So just to kind of give it a little bit of extra sparkle and shine, if you can see that. So and that is really fun addition that I added after the fact. Okay, so that is the May setup. And then we have the June setup. And June uses the Simple Stories, Sunshine and Blue Skies. And the colors in this collection are so fun and bright and great for summer. There are these little pool people that make an appearance all throughout the collection. So I thought those were really fun to add to the pockets. So again, we are decorating the pockets and then covering two of our standard wide TN inserts. This is the first one, so we've got shipping tag and lots of different stickers and paper, and then this is the other one. All right, so that is what I did with the kit. Oh, I should point out, I'm using, for this month, I'm actually using the Aztec for both May and June because I like the really neutral inside of that cream. All right. So let's take a look at what comes in the kit. Now keep in mind everything in the kit is meant for you to decorate your Traveler's Notebook for the months of May and June, so 2 months. All right, so starting out with the 12 by 12 sheet of stickers, Simple Vintage Botanicals, and you can get a really good feel for the colors in the collection and the different icons. As usual, we maybe use a third of the stickers if you're decorating the way I did, and then you'll have lots left over. Otherwise, you know, you're just kind of decorating as your own little heart desires. 2 12 by 12 sheets of pattern paper. So I've used that bird side to cover one of my inserts. This is the other paper, and I have used that really pretty kind of green gingham to cover my other insert. Then the 3 by 4 element sheet, and this gives you 12 different 3 by 4 cut apart cards. So I use those to decorate pockets as well as to decorate the cover of the inserts. That is part of the May kit. So you also receive 18 inches of one of those 3 different washies that are part of that collection. So the kits will all vary, so you'll end up with one of those 3. You will also in the kit end up with either the yellow clip or the teal clip. And both the yellow and teal could go in either May or June, or could go in both May or June, depending on how you decide to use your clip. And you'll, again, have either the yellow one or the teal one. All right, then we move into June with the 12 by 12 sticker sheet from Sunshine and Blue Skies. Isn't that fun? Just really great, bright colors for summer. Then we have 12 by 12 sticker sheet that has the pool people. And I've used the pool people side, but you could also use kind of the pool toy side. That's another really fun pattern as well. And then we have this really great ombre paper that has summer written all over it, but I just love that ombre. So I've used that to cover one of my inserts. And then the 3 by 4 element sheets. And so with the 3 by 4 element sheets, those are the cut apart cards. And I just remembered, and I don't think I brought it up with me. Oh, here it is. Hang on. Back to Simple Vintage Botanicals for a minute. You also have a half sheet of this paper because I've used this piece of paper to fussy cut some of the, kind of this whole little grouping right here of flowers and the butterfly, and then that one as well. So that you get a half sheet of that to fussy cut and decorate your pockets as you would like. Okay, so base of the kit. Then the kit also includes, as always, a standard wide Traveler's Notebook insert. And this month, including a shipping tag, and I used the shipping tag to decorate the front of this particular insert. So I put those fun summer letters on there, the shipping tag, and that's about 5.5 inches tall. And then for a little technique-y this month, a photo flip, a playing card, and this one's really hard to see. This is a 3x4 sheet of clear acetate, acrylic, I think. Well, you know what I mean. It's a thick piece of plastic that's clear. Anyhow, I'm giving you both of these things because we will be making washi cards with the washi that comes in your kit. So the washi in your kit will actually be wrapped around this wax-coated playing card. And what I love to do with these little flips is that once this is, excuse me, once my washi is wrapped around here, this, when I remove that little strip, is adhesive based. So I can add that to the back of my traveler's notebook, and I have a permanent kind of washi storage area, or I could temporarily put some washi tape on the top of that and then put it into my traveler's notebook so that I could, switch that out whenever I'm switching out my inserts. So that is one version of a washi card, and then this is the other one. So with this piece of clear plastic, heavy duty plastic, then you can also wrap your washi around that. Anyhow, we'll go into that in far more detail in the exclusive Plan With Me how-to videos. Last thing I want to mention, this month I am offering 4 new traveler's notebooks as add-ons, and I kind of have 2 here. I'm still waiting for my order to come in, but I will show you. This is the green suede, and it is so pretty and nice and soft, and it is beautiful for spring. Wouldn't this be fun to put that inside of there? Just so pretty for spring. Also great for summer too. So that's what the outside looks like. And then the inside has your pockets. This is a little window pocket right here. And then there's a secretarial and a side pocket as well. Okay, then, and I have the mini version of this. So the traveler's notebook that's just like this, that's available as an add-on, is this size. It's the same size as the green, so it's a standard traveler's notebook, but it is this gorgeous pink suede stitched TN. So both of those are available. There are 2 others available as well. I will include a link here in the main information on the YouTube video, so you can go to see the other 2 options for add-ons. I also have zippered pouch add-ons and some fun pencil pouch add-ons as well. So 4 new TNs, those are 32 each, other TNs, lots of other goodies. So watch for the information and the link in terms of ordering and more details. A little bit tongue-tied this afternoon. Anyhow, thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.